This is Barangay Dado. It is a new barangay facility and function hall. Here, you could see the Dado Elementary School, and a few blocks away, we can locate the Dado High School. This is Dado High School. Every children is encouraged to showcase their talents to be at their best. And now we will be locating the famous tourist spots of Dado and its beautiful places that is connected to nature. There are many tourist spots to visit in the municipality of Alamada. One of its biggest area is the Barangay Dado. In our barangay, there are many sitios who have different nature's gift, just like the Asik Falls. It is known for its splashes and very cold water and is believed to be health beneficial. Asik Falls will surely draw you close into nature and have a relaxing and stress-free day. Being surrounded by trees and the nature itself is answered through this spot. This is the water point. Also, we have here the Daday Falls, located in Mimbalawag, a huge falls that has drawn tourists from different places to take pictures and experience the cold splashes of its huge waterfall.